Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to hide gallery album in our Android phone so our photos or video will be more private and secure. Let's get started. Open your gallery app on your Android phone. Then if you want to hide an album in your gallery, you can simply click on this three dots button. And then choose hide or unhide albums right here. After that, you have to choose the album that you want to hide. And you can click on this toggle button to hide the album. For example, like this. I'm going to hide Cam Scanner album and also InShot album right here. So just click on the toggle button. Okay, and that's how we can hide albums in our gallery. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye!